Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to be checking out a new company to me. I'm going to do an unboxing. It kind of looks like it came in a bag, so it's kind of an unbagging, but I want to share this new company with you. Their name is Buffalo Jackson Trading Company. Lovely notes. And they, somebody on Facebook mentioned them. Nick Lapore, don't know his last name. He was talking about him in a Facebook group. He was talking about this company, and so I just went and checked them out. So I was really glad somebody introduced me via their own questions of who is this company, and I wanted to know too. So I reached out to them and said, you know, I have a YouTube channel. I review leather bags. Would you like to collaborate where you send me a bag and I give you a full review? And they said yes, and I was grateful for this opportunity, but this is my 100% all my own opinions. They never told me what to say. I'm going to do an unboxing video today, and in a couple weeks we're going to do a full review of the bag once I really have an opinion about what I've experienced. So there's your full disclosure. Let's jump in. So it's kind of like a bag, it's kind of a box. I don't know, but here's their logo, Buffalo Jackson Trading Company. And they originated in Colorado, but now they are in North Carolina, Charlotte, North Carolina. So let me use my scissors to open this up. Okay. Oh, right away, we are noticing a dust bag. So here's their logo again on a nice drawstring canvas linen dust bag. I actually do store my bags in dust bags if the bag comes with one. Keeps them from getting dusty. It's in the name. Okay, here's the bag. Here's a bunch of paperwork. What do you want me to go into? Should I tease you and make you wait? Let's see. Okay. They have a little card here. Let me open it up. Field Guide Buffalo Jackson. I like their branding. They're very consistent. Oh, there's my address, so I'll cover that up. Look at all this. So we have welcome, package content, return policy, ship to. Return policies. I always want to make sure I note that for those indecisive people like me. If you have any questions or concerns regarding your order, especially if there's an error or defect, please contact support@buffalojackson.com. Good to know. To return or exchange an item, it's easy. Visit request a return page at www.buffalojackson.com/returns. Follow the instructions on the return form. I don't see an actual amount of days you have to return it. Maybe I'll add that in the description box below and mention it in the next video. Okay, let's get to the bag. This is buffalo leather. What do you think about that? This is the Madison leather crossbody foldover clutch and saddle tan. Okay, here we are. What do you think? It's not big. It's a nice size. It's extremely soft. Ooh, so nice. Unzip it. Oh, okay. So there's lining. None of my bags have lining. Well, not many of them. Crossbody strap. Let's check it out. We got like antique brass. It's a clip. Ooh, one piece of leather. That's not always the case. Sometimes they splice them up. Very long, adjustable. Is the buckle in the center? We'll have to see if that buckle touches my collarbone or not. Really nice strap. It's smelling really good. Some stuffing. Very cute. So just a nice deep body. There is a zipper. That black line right there is a zipper. And then that's it for the body. Zipper on the top. This is nice. There's like a little pocket here. No pocket there. There's their logo. So then this closes and the magnets touch. Oh, it's a little stiff right now. So it closes here. That's nice. You guys, there's the back pocket. Woo, I'm so excited about that. Oh, I really like this lining. It's kind of a heavier canvas, just black and white stripe. Oh, YKK zipper, and then it attaches here. So this is called the Madison leather crossbody foldover clutch, so that you can take the crossbody strap off and use it as a clutch. But I do want to make this not the longest video ever. I'll give you so many more details in the next video, so be sure to subscribe so you'll check out that. My actual full opinions of this bag. I want to put the crossbody strap on. I don't know, I really like it. I've seen this style around, this fold over. But you know when you see a style and it comes in and it's trendy and then it's like made from either genuine leather or it's made from pleather or something fake. I mean, it's fine for a season, but if you really like the style, which I really do like this casual look, I would have made it from like a nice quality leather. So there is full grain leather, top grain, genuine, suede, and then bonded. So full grain is generally what my whole channel is full grain leather or top grain, and this is top grain. So this is gonna have less scars and markings. The leather is going to be more consistent. It's going to be very, very, very durable. But my full grain ones sometimes have a lot more flaws to them, and that can be your cup of tea or not. And I go either way. So you see all these wrinkles? It's nice. It just feels good. It's a good weight. Let's do specs. Okay? We are retailing for $144.95. The dimensions are 11.5 in length, 8.5 in height to 12.5 in height. And where did that go? And then 0.5 in depth. So not a lot of depth, but I feel like you can fill it out. And 1 pound, 10 ounces. Top grain, cow leather. Smells really good. Removable strap adjustable. I have a couple things in front of me, if I can quickly put them in there just so we can see what it looks like when it has a couple items. I'm not sure what will fit, so this is trial and error. Midori Traveler's Notebook, but it is the fake one from Hobby Lobby. That fits sideways. iPad mini in a case. It went in vertical and then I'm turning it while I put it in the bag. And let's put my cell phone in the back pocket because that was where it would normally be. Here's just a pretty standard size wallet. Not too big, not too small. You know me, I like to stuff my bags to see how much you can really hold. This is just a little pouch with some random stuff in it and another random pouch. But see, I'm getting too tall. See, I don't think it's gonna fold over as much anymore. I mean, if you were to carry it, see, so what should I take out? I'm actually gonna take out the iPad because I do not normally go around town with that. So let's make it more of a practical everyday carry. So not your biggest bag in the world, but not your smallest. Zip up the top. I'm still trying to figure this out because I think the leather is very stiff. So there it is folding over. It's not catching it. Huh. Well, do you guys ever do this where you're like using a bag and you go from like a bigger or smaller wallet to a different one just so everything can fit? I'm going to try and rearrange it one more time before. Oh, there we go. I think this is more than a 1/2 inch though. I think you can load it up this way and then close it. Oh, and it's got a nice little tassel. I like this. This is a nice one. I love crossbody. Oh my word. And in my full review, I'll model it for you. You can follow me on Instagram, ThePerfectLeatherBag, and I'll be posting pictures of myself wearing this in the coming days and weeks. This is actually offered in a couple other colors, and it's the same style. So for the same price, $144.95, you can get it in a dark hazelnut, which is a really nice burgundy brown. And then it comes for $124.95, so a little bit less, in a khaki and dark hazelnut, or a navy and saddle tan, which probably would read more casual. It might be a little lighter. You're saving a little bit of money, but again, I think those color schemes would be amazing. So check them out. Check out their website. Lots of different styles, and I'm a big fan of their new women's collection. I can't speak for the men's collection, but so far I'm very impressed with this new collection. Thanks for watching, everybody. I'll see you next time.